Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Auction Up. I'm at the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store in Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm actually on a trip with the family. We went to Busch Gardens yesterday, and today I think it's called Water Country, or it's a big water park, part of Busch Gardens. We were there all day today. I think I got sunburned to my bald head. It's peeling. But anyway, right now, I'm at the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store. I managed to sneak away from my family. They actually are at the hotel, back in the pool. So we've been in the water all day, and now they're doing their thing. And they let me get a chance to sneak away, see what kind of vintage treasures I could find in a complete foreign area to me. But it is quite beautiful down here. The people are very nice. So I'm actually looking forward to going there and seeing what we can find. As usual, if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe to Auction Up. Hit the like button. Helps me out personally so much with YouTube. And while you're at it, hit that little bell. You'll be notified every time something's uploaded. Okay, so let's see what we can find. Here we go. Alright, guys, what's up? As usual, if you're a YouTuber, you have dealt with this problem. Whenever there's music playing in the background, especially in Goodwills, yep, you got to do a voiceover. So I was talking the whole time this day too. I'm not the best at talking, but I was talking away. Right now I'm looking for an American Girl doll. I thought this one really looked like one, but she wasn't. But one thing that I thought was pretty cool that I noticed is that I'm seeing different name brand dolls. So I up to this point I kind of always assumed more or less, everything's the same, but it really depends what region you're from. Still, I mean, the world's a much smaller place, but it still matters what region you're from. Because right now we're in Williamsburg. I'm sure I mentioned at the beginning. But I'm just looking around the store, just looking for that treasure. This place is pretty cool. The prices were fair. Um, I'm just looking for anything that would catch my eye. So I'm just digging through the clothes. I'm really wanting to get into. I'm going to be setting up an account on Poshmark just for clothing because I mean clothing sells, and up to this point everything's been on eBay, but it's time to move on. Right here, as you guys know, I love buying older Bibles, especially antique Bibles. These A tracks caught my eye. Who is this? I can't remember who that was. There's a group here. I almost brought Drew Hill out of Baltimore. That was in the late '90s. That's actually where Cisco came from. If you guys remember the Thong song, Thong to Thong Thong Thong. Oh my God, I was so sick of that song. But yeah, 8 tracks actually bring a nice little penny. They're not gonna make you rich, but if you're at an auction or a yard sale and somebody's just putting them out, you want to grab them. But yeah, I'm just saying if there's any titles that I recognize. I didn't buy this Drew Hill tape. I kind of wish I did now I look back at it because I'm sure it was like 50 cents, a dollar. But nah, I passed up on it. So now I'm just looking around, books, looking for something that's worthy of being listed, worthy of being purchased in Williamsburg and driving it all the way back up to Pennsylvania. By the way, while we are at Williamsburg, we were, I just saw it, that little mirror right there, that brown mirror. I should have looked at that closer because that looks like something that was from the 80s. I messed up. Oh well, that's how it goes. Yeah, so I'm just digging. But yeah, we're down Williamsburg for Busch Gardens. This was a pretty cute little trinket case, jewelry box. Had a towel on top, but I couldn't see any name on it or anything that made me think it was worthy of buying, so I just passed up on it. Um, what else did we get? What else did I see here? There was all kinds of cool things on this shelf. I actually think I had to do a double take on this shelf because there was so much coolness, to tell you the truth. There's just like these but as I was looking, I just nothing really caught my eye, unfortunately, at this part of the store. Nope, that is incorrect because there's something coming up that probably it it I had I'm hesitant to dig in my pocket sometimes if I'm not sure. But if you're at an auction or a estate sale auction and the price tag's kind of high, you already know that it's been priced out to some degree. At least a little bit safer. Up there's the bells. Please tell me one thrift store, one Goodwill store that does not have bells. too bad they're not worth anything. Um, there were some pretty cool figurines here. Where is the one I really like? There's a frog. I probably should have brought it. I think they wanted like $4 for it. I just passed on it. There's a candle holder up top there. I was thinking about it, but it just wasn't special. See, the problem is right now I got a lot of $20, $30 items, but I need some items of more value. Nice little trinket dish, but nothing special. They're down a dozen in this area, so apparently they're there too. I should have, man, I hate looking at these videos because sometimes you watch these videos and you're like, hey, that deer was weird. That deer laying on his back. Why didn't you look at that a little harder? I don't know. There's so much to look at. You're just trying to pick out something. I don't know. It's the way it goes, though. Let's see what we're going to find here. All right, more trinket dishes. Cool looking vase. Nope. It was like, what was that? Pier 1 or something like that. It was really regular. But nothing too special. So I keep working my way around. Where is it? There was something that was really cool, and I kind of wish I brought it. It should be coming up soon. It was pretty heavy too. Where is it? Where is it? The reason why I can't remember, guys, is because I shot this. Oh, right here. It was this boot vase. But I think they wanted like $20 for it. I swear, this thing felt like it weighed 10 pounds. I should have really brought it. I think because I put it down, and then I go back again, and I grab it again, and I'm just like, man, I should have got that boot. But you know how it is. You're not too sure. And it never fails. Whenever you find a spot, there's somebody right there. And so she gave me a window. I walked past. Now I'm looking for, I brought these vintage hand fans. I know it's hard to believe. They are actually one of my original sales. You find these at a yard sale for 50 cents. I guarantee you could sell them for $10 with your eyes closed. $20 if you're willing to be patient a piece. So I definitely snatched these up. Those are excellent buy. Every time I find hand fans, I buy them. People collect them. There's a whole pile of these masks were pretty cool, but I really don't know anything about them, so I didn't pay too much attention. Nice little candle holder. Brass candle holders, they always sell if you get it for the right price. I did like that little owl wall hanging back there, but I kind of passed up on this section and made my way down to the pictures. I was hoping to find a really cool picture. My wife told me to cut back on the artwork because there's so much artwork these days. What can I say? I love to buy artwork. It does sell. It always sells. On these Pac-Man glasses, they were, I believe the date, I'm pretty sure I zoom up on the date of it. Okay, guys, my family knows me so well. Okay, guys, my family knows me so well. They were right when they said they wanted to go back. But I managed to grab, I was here way too long, but I love just walking up and down the aisles. It's a little weird sometimes, but it's my thing. But got some Pac-Man glasses, paid 50 cents for those. Two of these I paid 50 cents for, paid $1. They were made like 1982. But probably $10 each, give or take. Got these, they were old. It really feels like celluloid plastic. Oh yeah, I'm positive celluloid. Some old fans here, and pay 99 cents each. They're definitely $20 a piece, easy. Finally found the Oliver Twist for the girls, but I think I went the one from the 70s. Yeah, it's black and white. I think I went the one from the 70s. The one when he says, "Can I have more porridge, please?" And the guy's like, "More." I'm always messing with my girls with that. And I got this old T-shirt. There was another T-shirt that I saw that I should have got, but I didn't feel like going back in line. For a hurricane, but then I looked on eBay and it was like 1 million of them, so maybe not. So guys, wrapping up here behind me. What is this? Here you go, right there, the DAV, the disabled veterans thrift store. Wrapping up at Williamsburg, Virginia. We got one more day here, then we're heading back to Pennsylvania, and I'll go back to work the next day. Yay! But anyway, guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel, to like the video, and to hit that notification button. All right, guys, till next time, stay happy, stay blessed.